Well, just with the guide already in place, the bolts are loose, but they're already lined up and ready to go. I will check for adjustment right now. I'm going to tighten it and roll it up and down and see what adjustment issues I do have, if I have any. With the window in the fully up position, lower it. That little step was actually the glass hitting the front hinge nut on the hinge bolt. We are going to be grinding it in a little bit. I just wanted to make sure everything is fine. Everything else seems to be working great. And there you go. Just like a champ. With the lock pin out, you're actually going to be cutting. With the lock pin out, we're actually going to be cutting 1/2 inch from the end and adjusting the striker on the inside. So you just simply take 1/2 inch, measure it, mark it, and then just cut it off. Here's the 1/2 inch shorter elbow on this same scraper, on the same hinge lock. Just go ahead and grind off the residue and then just put it back in place. Do the same thing for both doors. With the 1/2 inch already cut off, you're basically going to slide it back in place. I taped this one to indicate that it was the left side. Just remember that, what side is which, because if you get them wrong, you're going to actually not mess it up, you're going to have problems later on in the future when you try to lock and unlock your door. Slide in the old pin that slides in place. You're done. Okay. Fully in place. We do the same thing to the other door. We're going to be grinding the inside of the hinge nut with the small angle grinder. Since it's a small angle grinder, I can easily get my hand inside the door, which you'll see, and just grind it flat, the inside nut where the glass is hitting. With the grinding done, you'll be able to see the how flat you should have the that nut. You can see the window clears everything and you are good to go. One of our final steps is to relocate the actuator down to the bottom. I'll show you how to do that in a little bit, and then install the inside door scrapers, and this project is done. Voy a estar grabando.